What's up everyone? So like I said in the last vlog, I did get a drone, so I wanted to go ahead and unbox it for you guys so y'all can check it out firsthand. You'd be the first ones to see it just along with me. Alright, so this is it. I ended up going with the DJI Phantom Professional. It's with the 4K camera. Came with a free extra battery. So yeah, flip it over. So here are the specs. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox the battery first. It's the DJI Intelligent battery. I believe retail on these is $104, but Best Buy was running a promotion where you got a spare for free. Already comes with a little charge, but yeah, big bulky LiPo battery. It gives you about 25 minutes of flight time, so, and it charges in about an hour, which is plus. Alright, so now for this. I have flown one before, and they are super easy to fly. It's not hard at all, it's very user friendly. So as soon as you open it up, of course you get the user manual and stuff like that. So inside, of course, is your user manuals, how to use it, setup and everything, and then it comes with a little extra sticker so you can change the color scheme. You have gold, silver, red, and pink, and purple. Let's set that to the side. And boom, there you go. Here is the DJI Phantom Professional. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just move everything over to my bed real quick. Alright, so first of all, the giant ass remote is a huge downside. It's actually really heavy and bulky, but the controllers are really smooth on it. You have your two antennas on top, pretty much, so you can get a pretty long range. I believe you can go like 1.4 miles out. This right here is going to be the power brick, so you can charge it. And the cord. If you have an Android phone, it already comes with a micro USB cable. The power cord for the actual brick itself. One of the cool things about this charger is you can charge the actual drone battery and the controller all through one unit, which is pretty cool. So it did come with extra propellers, of course. It comes with the regular 4 and 4 spares. So they are color coded. You have your black ones and then you have your silver ones. On the top of the actual drone itself, you have silver. But yeah, anyway, so this is the drone, and you guys will be seeing some footage, so hopefully you'll enjoy it. What's up everybody? So I just set up the drone and everything. I had to upgrade the firmware on it, which was a pain in the ass to do, but it's all set up. Gonna take it outside and fly it, but yeah, so I was pretty much just sitting here for a while. I had to go to the DJI website, put the new software onto the little SD slot that goes onto the side of the drone, which is right there. But it should be ready to fly, so let's go get some drone footage. Alright, so I got the drone set up. Let's go ahead and test the first flight. So the first drone flight was a pretty big success. It's actually really easy to fly. I was flying it on GPS mode with pretty much no restrictions on it. Just the GPS kind of helps you control it a little better. But yeah, I like it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the drone footage. I plan on taking the drone with me. Later on this month, I'm going on vacation. I'm going to Canada, so hopefully I can get some good shots of Toronto in the snow. But alright. Hey, what's up, you guys? Hope you enjoyed the drone footage. Let me know in the comment section below. Like I said, the 22nd is whenever I leave to Canada. I'm gonna be going for about 12 days, so hopefully I can get some really good footage over there. I was starting to get a little more used to using the drone. I took the propeller guards off because I know it does get into the picture a lot, so I want to try to avoid that as best as possible. But currently editing the vlog right now. So anyways, please give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you already haven't, and if you want to get notified anytime I upload something, just look for the little bell icon on my channel and then just click that, and anytime I upload something, it'll notify you. So until next week, peace.